My classes at this community college, it's been a very enjoyable experience. I've been able to do a lot of things that I wasn't able to do before that I've wanted to for a long time. So that includes like machining, 3D printing, 3D modeling, and like a program for like a CNC machine. I was interested in advanced manufacturing and everything in that field before high school, but then in high school I was able to take a multitude of classes over my last 3 years that really got me cemented into the sort of interest of it. That's why I just enjoy manufacturing. It's something I grew up with from a young age and up to my teen years, and I want to pursue a career in it and continue in that field. It's almost a sense of amazement or awe just seeing all these like machines just set up, knowing how much they cost, and seeing that they're just there and we get to learn how to use them, like each one, like the CMM machines. It's very interesting to know that you will eventually learn how to use all these machines like just from scratch. Like you can start it up, program it, operate it fluently, and you'll be able to do that with any machine in this shop. The teachers and professors here are very kind. They'll help you in any way they can if you ask them for help. They won't just turn you away like, that's not my job, I can't help you with that. They'll be like, okay, let me find someone who can help you so you're not stuck on an island. You will get frustrated at certain things because there's always going to be something new that you don't know about this line of work and about these classes. So you'll get frustrated, but I think a good piece of advice is that you just can't give up when you're frustrated. Use that frustration to fuel you towards success.